Hello, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning to everyone. So, as I posted earlier about the France schools applications, now it's a good news to know that France has opened their school applications portals, and then it's from now October to December. Now, French applying to French schools, it's quite easier if you use the Campus France process. Now, how do you apply through the Campus France process? It can be a bit complex, but if you follow this closely, you can do it all by yourself. And one thing about the Campus France is that if you are able to do everything through Campus France and you gain your admission, the advantage is that it's very easy for you to get your visa, and it is 100% sure, unlike the US, Canada, where you can still get admission and still be denied a visa. Here, Campus France is going to help you acquire the visa, where you are going to have no stress. Your only stress is to try to create your Campus France account. After creating your account, read through and get all the required documents they request. Now, after you are done, you then create another account on Etude en France EEF account, where the application will be done. After the application is done, you wait patiently for selection. If fortunately you get admission to a school, then you can proceed with the visa application. So now, as I have said earlier, I will still repeat about the document requirements. I'll still repeat the documentation needed to apply, and then how to create the Campus France account. Okay, so without wasting my time, now Campus France are in several countries in Africa, Asia, Europe, a lot of countries. So wherever you are, you can type Campus France, then you put a country. For example, Campus France Ghana, Campus France Togo, Campus France Nigeria. So I would like to use Ghana, so let's quickly go to our search engine. Let's use any search engine. So let's type Campus France Ghana. Okay, good. So now we have Campus France Ghana here. Then we log in into their website to find out what they have for us. So as we wait for our search to open, yes, so here we are, Campus France Ghana. Now remember, if you are not in Ghana, please don't create the account on Campus France Ghana. It's not possible. For example, you stay in Nigeria, but because you heard me say Campus France Ghana, so you created your account on Campus France Ghana, please, it's not going to work for you. So look for your Campus France from your country. So if you're in Nigeria, you just type Campus France Nigeria and you log into their website to create the account. Now, another thing is that all Campus France Campus France websites have the French and your local language. Moreover, French and English. Yes, French and English. So if you are experiencing only French, you can use your same search engine to translate everything to English or to the language you think you can understand better. Now, since you are using Campus France, it's not compulsory to apply to only a school in France. In French. You can apply to English programs as well as French programs. And one thing about France education is, I think, is the cheapest in the world, especially for the French students. If you apply to a French program in France, you are going to pay as low as 170 euros per semester, which is the cheapest fees you can ever pay in this world. So there's French students, I will advise you take more advantage of this because of how low the tuition fee is. And the English students as well, you can still apply, just that you pay a little bit higher as compared to French students, but it is still cheaper than schools in the US and Canada and Australia or New Zealand. So quickly, this is our Campus France website. Here we are. We have Campus France. Choose France EEF procedure. That's the Etude and France procedure. So getting ready, living in France. So I'm going to take you through all the process. Now, first thing we are going to do is we look at the documentations required. So which documents do we need in order to apply to schools in France? So that's the first thing we are going to look at. Yes, so without wasting my time, let's quickly rush into the documents required in applying. So now, how do I apply to a school in France from Ghana? So let's see. Now let's go and see the deadline. So we have license. Now the license is bachelor's degree. Okay, bachelor's degree level license is bachelor's degree first year. So application for preliminary admission in the first year of a bachelor's degree in a French university. So licence 1, licence 2, licence 3. So first year undergraduate, second year undergraduate, and third year undergraduate. So let's see the official calendars. Here you can read through by yourself. Yes, just look through and then you read by yourself, as well as documents required. So here are master's programs. Here are the instructions on how to and the deadlines for applying. Now let's go to undergraduates. Here are the deadlines. So you are fortunate. You see, check their programs taught in English catalog. So someone will be wondering, but I am an English student. How do I apply to France? So you have the chance to apply to English taught programs in France. As I said earlier, just that the fees are a bit competitive and then a bit higher as compared to those doing French. So you can check those who want to do English programs in France. So you can just click on this. Yes, and it will take us to programs that are taught in English. So you need to choose for which level are you looking for. Is it licence 1? As I said, licence 1 is a bachelor's or undergraduate first year. Licence 2, bachelor's second year. Licence 3, bachelor's degree for the third year, and masters. Okay, masters 2 as maybe transferring students from one university to the other university. So let's assume we want to do undergraduates. Okay, so undergraduate. Now you see all undergraduate programs taught in English. Here are the universities. We can go on and on and on and find. We have 4 programs for this particular program. So undergraduate first year in English, 4 programs. You can open and read through the programs by yourself. Okay, let's go to second year and see 5 programs. Let's go to masters and see which programs they have for masters. So master's degree in English, in English taught, okay, 97 programs, which it's a lot. Okay, it's a lot. So you can scroll and then apply. One thing about Campus France is if you apply through Campus France, you can apply to 5 or 3 depending on the level schools. You can apply to 5 or 3 schools depending on the level at the same time with only one application, unlike some countries where you have to make each application for every school. Using Campus France and EEF, that's the Etude and France platform, you can apply to 5 schools with only one application. So having found out some programs taught in English, now let's go back to the documents. Okay, so these are the documents which may be required by the universities during application. So you have cover letter or motivation letter or the statement of purpose, your transcripts, senior high school certificate, your application form or online application, copies of passport and birth certificates, recommendation letter, proof of language proficiency. This is for those who will be doing the programs in French. Okay, and you also need a translation of all your documents. If they are in English, you need to translate them to French. That's those who will be doing French in French programs. But if you are not doing in French program and you are doing it in English, that is fine. There's no problem about that. So you are good to go. Now the next thing is how to create a Campus France account.